Retired General Chiwenga is not greedy. When Zimbabwe stood at crossroads in 2017, he did not seize power, he handed it over. That's not weakness. This is leadership. Zayabena mashoko arikuda panguva ino achionekwa vipi Constantine Chiwenga. People might call him he's very greedy, ari power hungry, ari kufighting kusucceed mutungamiri wenyika, or fighting for his political survival. And that's not. This man anonyatso kuziva kuti role yake ndeipi, and unatso make sure kuti the integrity of the country, the liberation credentials are restored and maintained. You subscribe or like on the bell icon. Napaendo ya third General Winston Scout Mapranga anoposta vipi Constantine Chiwenga muri kuona kudanyira chiti. He could have taken the presidency. He did not. He could have turned against Mnangagwa. He stayed loyal. He could have bowed to corruption. He chose principle. Retired Chiwenga showed restraint, discipline, and dignity. That's the mark of a gentleman, not a tyrant. Zimbabwe needs leaders who serve, not dominate. General Chiwenga's legacy is still unfolding, but history will remember the man who stepped back when he could have stepped in. Ndo mashoko anobuda kwa panguva ino pamusoro pavipi Constantine Chiwenga. Chinzi people must watch closely and vanyatsoona kuti is the man to follow. Right now, VP Constantine Chiwenga on another side or another faction of the ruling party ZANU-PF, he is facing criticism. If you take a look in the Politburo, VP Constantine Chiwenga is being attacked, but this man is the man who was made all these people in the Politburo to survive. Otherwise, vaifana kunge vakaoverthrowiwa tisingachazivi nezvavo. Ndinakome section medu dzofungura aim kuti dipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Usaona subscribe or like channel bell icon.